Today, you will learn how to add a border under header in Word. First, go to the top of the page. Double-click inside the header area to activate the header section. Once you are inside the header, if you want the border to appear only under that text, next go to the Home tab on the ribbon. In the Paragraph group, find the Borders button. It usually looks like a small square with borders around it. Click the small drop-down arrow next to it. From the menu that appears, choose Bottom Border. As soon as you click it, Word will add a line underneath the header text, creating a border under the header. If you want to customize the border, click the Borders drop-down menu again and select Borders and Shading. Here, you can change the line style, color, and thickness. For example, you can use a thicker line for a stronger visual separation, or choose a different color to match your document design. After making your changes, click OK to apply them. When you're finished, double-click anywhere outside the header area, or click Close Header and Footer to return to your document. You'll now see a neat border separating the header from the main content. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.